So what I'm doing now is just got this, it's like a packing paper, but it's thin enough to sort of move around a bit. So, and some little magnets. And basically, I'm just going through and putting the magnets on. This is to make a stencil for the other side. So. So yeah, so what I've done with the stencil is just found, so it's hard on this bit here. It sits solid in the center, just flat, and then it shrinks out just a little bit. So that's, all these are all shrinks that have to be done. And then the top, it shrinks a lot more at this end. So I have to basically just go through and transfer that onto metal and start making the exact same as what I've already done. So I'm just cutting off just trim off the edges to where I actually want it to be. I'll still cut the piece 10mm bigger than what it needs to be, or 5mm bigger than it needs to be. That way I can just trim it down once I've finished the shaping, and it should come up all right. Alright, so that's our stencil for the first section of the other side. I'll get a bit of sheet and we'll jump onto that. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink up to this. This is going to be my light line I'm going to go through. So I'm going to shrink up to this in each bit, then I'll do some in between. And then same with this one, I go up to these lines, shrink up to there, and I'll do a couple in between and get the basic shape of it, and then take it over to the English wheel and I'll just get the basic shape that I need, and then we'll put the soft wheel on the top and run that radius on the edge. All right, so that's from just one pass, and you'll see me going all the way in, all the way out. So I'm doing one pass in, and then as I go back out, I'm not touching this one again. So I'm going one, and then that's getting two, 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 and then I'll end up coming in and doing three, and then four, and then five as it steps out. So it shrinks it, doesn't shrink too much in the middle, shrinks more at the edge, and we'll bring all of those together like that. I'll do the other side, just double check everything first, and then I'll come through and do another pass. Wrong way. That way. Look at that. That is almost there. Very close. That's just 2 passes. 2 passes through the kick shrinker. And I'll just smooth it over with the English wheel, and that will be that. Yeah, so I've got the basic shape roughed in just from the kick shrinker, and we'll just planish it out a bit and we'll see how close it is. quick shrinker, English wheel, and planisher. Still has a little bit of, I've probably got a couple of hours of planishing to do over the whole thing, like it's all welded together. But for now, that is pretty damn good.